Isang maulang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is DJ Master. Ayun po mga ka-DJ. Isang araw na lang po. Bukas po Sunday ay magaganap na po yung bakbakang Manny Pacquiao versus Barrios. Pero dito sa episode nito, papakita ko sa inyo ang official weigh-in ng ating pambansang kamao at si Manny Barrios. Yan, panoorin po natin para magkaroon kayo idea yung itsura, no? Pag nakita yung itsura ni Manny Pacquiao, ang laki ng transformation, no? Kumpara nung nag-i-start pa lang siya mag-training para dito sa laban na to. At siyempre si Barrios hindi rin magpapahuli. Ayun po, panoorin po natin mga ka-DJ.
Pride of the Philippines, Manny Pacman Pacquiao!
Mga ka-DJ, ang crowd, grabe ang suporta pa rin sa ating pambansang kamao. Ganun pa rin siya kasikat, kapopular po. Hindi natin may tatanggi talaga, sikat pa rin ang ating pambansang kamao. So, abangan natin yung weigh-in dito mga
welterweight championship of the world. Weight limit is 147 pounds. I think Mario is ready to step onto the scale with a record of 29 wins. 2 losses and 1 draw. He has 18 knockouts. He's a 2-division world champion, the reigning and defending WBC welterweight champion of the world, El Azteca, Mario Barrios.
Mga ka-DJ, ang abs, grabe, no? 6-pack.
Mario Barrios weighs in at 146.2 pounds. 146.2. And now his opponent challenging for the title, the pride of boxing, the pride of the Philippines, the one and only Manny Pacman Pacquiao! Wow. $146.8 pounds for the Pacman, 146.8 for Manny Pacman Pacquiao.
DJ, pasok po sa catch weight ng ating pambansang kamao, 146.8, 147 po yung catch weight, kaya pasok na pasok po mga ka-DJ. Mukhang maganda ang kondisyon natin pambansang kamao. Napaka-saya ng kanyang mood, ang ganda ng kanyang aura. Wala siyang linda, nakapokus siya. Wala masyadong distraction. As usual, nandiyan pa rin si Chavez Singson, ang kanyang lagi nakasuporta. Si Chavez Singson, siyempre sinamali siya ng kanyang wife na si Ma'am Jinky Pacquiao. Of course, si Buboy Fernandez, ang kanyang long time best friend and trainer, at siyempre si Freddy Roach bilang kanyang former head trainer. Ngayon si Buboy Fernandez po ang head trainer na nakasuporta rin. At sa buong team Pacquiao, good luck sa inyo lahat mga ka-DJ. Trainer ni Barrios, turong-turo siguro. Bilib-bilib sa bata niya. Tinuturo lagi yung ano eh.
There they are, ladies and gentlemen. The last time they will face each other before they meet in the center of the ring tomorrow night for the main event for the WBC Welterweight Championship of the World. Manny Pacman Pacquiao versus El Azteca Mario Barrios. And now let's hear more from our fighters. Once again, I send it over to Jim Gray.
Mario, come on in. The champion. Mario, you're the champion. Yet this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. How do you approach this to have the opportunity to beat a living legend?
I'm approaching it the same way I have all of my other fights. I treated it, as just another title defense. Manny, has accomplished, so much, but it's my time now.
Do you feel that this is more something
Sabi
that you will
ni
look
Mari
back
Baris
on
dito,
in the
it's
future
my
as
time.
an
Ibig sabihin,
accomplishment
tapos
as
na yung panahon
opposed
ni
to trying to
Pambansa
take in
Kamao.
all of the hoopla
Ito na yung panahon niya. Yun. Kung kayo,
100%.
paki-comment ko kayo pabor po sa
This is
sinabi
crazy.
niya.
You know, shout out, you know, to all the Filipino fans here. Shout out to a todo mi gente mexicano que está aquí. Viva la raza! But yeah, no, this is huge for me, for my career. Yeah, man, I'm excited to step in it tomorrow.
Best of luck, champion Mario. We look forward to tomorrow night. Thank you.
Pero sa totoo
Mario,
mga
Mario,
DJ, hindi ko
let's bring
akalain
in
mas
now
magaan si Mario Barrio kasi
Pac-Man.
yamak mas malaki.
Manny Pacquiao.
Ito si
Manny.
Manny Pacquiao po. Yan, interview na po.
Before we start this interview, I want you to take a look up here in the rafters, right next to the American flag. 3, 2, 1. He's back. You will now be the man who has fought the most right here at the MGM Grand Garden, number 16. More than anybody in history, Tyson, Mayweather, all of the great fights that have come in here. When you see that banner up, you've gone into the Hall of Fame. You've won in 8 divisions, 12 titles. You have everything. What made you decide that you wanted to do this again?
First of all, I would like to, I'm so happy because I'm back, and I'm back it because of boxing is my passion. I miss boxing, and I'm so thankful to God because until now, He gave me the strength, keep me safe, and give me good health. That's why Manny Pacquiao is still here, and I'm back.
The last man who said I'm back was Michael
Wait,
Jordan.
Manny!
He came back and he won 3 titles. Are you channeling some of that?
Well, this comeback is dedicated to the Lord my God that I'm serving.
Final thought. It's been 4 years since you've been hit. How do you prepare for everything that you've known in your past life but haven't been used to the past 4 years?
You know, those 4 years in the past that I retired in boxing, like I really miss boxing, and it's good for my body because I'm able to give my body rest for 4 years because I've been in boxing for how many decades since when I was 12. So until now, so good for my body to rest for 4 years, and now I'm back. I'm excited to the fight. I'm really hungry to win again the fight and give the fans a good fight. And I know, and I know the fans they're waiting for a good fight. I know Barrios is working hard, but that's our job. That's our job to entertain the crowd, to give you a good fight, and to satisfy on Saturday night. That's our job.
Manny, best of luck. You're a legend, a living legend, and everybody's looking forward to your performance tomorrow night.
Thank you. God bless.
All right, Manny Pacquiao. Thank you.
Ayun, nakita na natin ang ating Kamao ay tumimbang ng 146.8. Pasok na pasok po sa catch weight nila na 147. At si Mari Barrios, kung hindi tayo nagkakamali,
Mga ka-DJ, correction po, 146.2 po.
Baba na konti.
Salamat po.
At ang ating pambansang Kamao, yun. Kita natin yung kanyang transformation. Grabe. Ang laki ng pinagbago. Parang bumalik sa kanyang prime, yung kanyang kabataan. Pero in fairness naman kay Mario Barrios, grabe yung abs ha. Napansin ko yung abs niya, grabe. Talagang ano tawag doon? 6 packs ba tawag doon? Baka yung mga ano dyan, medyo tumaas sa mga kilay ang ating mga kapatiran yan. Grabe, kaya sobrang hindi na tayo makakapagintay. Excited na tayo mga ka-DJ. Grabe, magaganap sa Las Vegas, Nevada, MGM diyan sa USA ang laban ng Manny Pacquiao at Mario Barrios para sa WBC Welterweight Champion. At hopefully ang ating pambansang Kamao ang tanghaling kampiyon sa laban na ito dahil marami pa rin ayon sa ating mga boxing experts, yung mga predictions nila ay mas marami pa rin sa Sa tingin ko, yung naniniwala din si Manny Pacquiao ang sa huli ang magwawagi. Pero hindi natin pwedeng isang tabi ang isang Manny Barrios sapagkat grabe. Dahil siyempre, nasa kanya yung advantage, yung youth, kabataan, yung laki, tangkad, yung hunger. Di ba, na-discuss natin yan sa nating yung mga nakarang kong mga vlogs, no? Actually, lamang sa ating analysis si Manny Barrios, pero yung puso ng ating pambansang kamao, yung kanyang desire na manalong muli, yung kanyang passion, yung pagmamahal niya sa boxing, hindi natin matatawaran, no? Actually, nakakatawa nga ang may idea pa rin yan para kaya bumalik si Manny Pacquiao para labanan si Manny Barrios, yung kanyang asawa na si Jinky Pacquiao. Sinabi ni Jinky Pacquiao na I think you can beat this guy. Really? Sabi mo. Kasi si Ma'am Jinky Pacquiao po, salamat sa iyo. Kung di dahil pala sa iyo, hindi babalik ang ating pambansa kamao. Siyempre, kilala niya yung asawa niya kung ano yung kakayahan. At nakita niya siguro na may nakita sila na pwede nilang na kaya nilang kumbaga sa may weakness si Manny Barrios na kaya nilang talunin. Kasi si Manny Barrios nga yung medyo madaling tamaan, tinatamaan kasi nga lagi nasa harap lang, medyo flat-footed, hindi naman magalaw, kaya baka may tsansa, kaya napili nila si Manny Barrios na labanan para sa championship dito sa welterweight, nga yan, WBC. Yun po mga ka-DJ, sana po nagustuhan nyo yung aming ibinahagi. So hindi na tayo makapagintay, bukas na po ang laban ng Manny Pacquiao at Manny Barrios sa MGM Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. So abangan natin. So sobrang excited na tayo. Pagdasal natin ang ating pambansa kamao na sana po ay maging maganda ang kanyang kondisyon, kanyang performance, at wala sanang mga injury na magyari para ma-execute niya yung game plan. So ito na yung huling pagkakataon ng ating pambansa kamao. Dito na nakasalalay kung siya po ay magre-retire o siya pa ay posibleng lumaban pa kung sakali manalo yun po mga ka-DJ. Isa pang kabang-abang kung manalo, paano? Sino naman makakaharap niya? Kaya hindi natin alam kung kailan matatapos na lang ng Manny Pacquiao. Kaya na kay Barrios yan. So, may the best man win. Good luck sa ating pambansa kamao. Mabuhay tayong lahat mga ka-DJ. Maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa ating channel. As of now, tayo ay nasa 5,000 plus subscribers na po. Grabe. Hindi ko po inaasahan. Totoo lang sa hinagap. Hindi ko alam na abutin ko yung estado na to. At sa ngayon po tayo po ay nasa process na ng monetization. May mga kailangan pang gawin. Kaya sobrang na-appreciate ko po inyong suporta. Lalo na yung mga bagong subscribers, mga boxing fans around the world. I'd like to say hi also to all my supporters from United States, from Canada, Saudi Arabia, from what else? In other parts of Asia, Hong Kong, Korea. Hindi ako makapaniwala talaga. Thank you very much for your warm support, and rest assured that I will do my best to make my vlogs even better, and I'll try to upgrade all my gadgets and equipment. So hintay lang kayo konti. So maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Ito po si DJ Master nagsasabing laban lang. God bless you all. See you on my next vlog. Bye.